Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making 3 super delicious guilt-free popsicles to beat the heat.
So the first popsicle I'm making is the easiest one.
If you love mangoes, you are totally gonna fall for it. The creamy mango candy bar.
All you need is ripe mangoes. Opt for a less fiber and more juicy one.
Now peel and roughly chop it. So basically we have to puree it. And now I'm adding a mango yogurt, which is a healthy alternative for cream. And you can also choose from plain or vanilla flavor. And now all we have to do is blend it. And this is how it looks. I'm using this popsicle mold. It is easy to use and has a stick of its own. Now pour the puree into the mold. And keep dabbing the mold lightly to remove all the air bubbles. Also clean the edges. So that's it for the mango popsicles. Next we are making summer fruit punch, which has all the summer fruits, sweet and tangy. And it looks so amazing. I also call it frost cloud. Starting with watermelon, I made thin slices and removed all the seeds. I also discarded the white parts. The next fruit I have taken is kiwi. Make sure it is ripe and sweet. Then peel it and cut into thin slices. And the next fruit I am using is sliced mangoes, which I have previously cut. The last fruit I have taken is lychee and it is in juice form. Now we have to bring all this together. Here the idea is to fill the mold with random slices of fruits to make it vibrantly colorful. And lastly fill it with lychee juice. You need to totally pack the mold, pushing the slices into it. Then add the juice. Don't forget to dab and remove the air bubbles. Now carefully place the sticks. Seal it tightly. Our two yummy lollies are ready. Let's move to the third one. The Triple Tango. For this we'll start with watermelon. Scoop it with a spoon. Then puree and strain it. And next we'll puree chopped kiwi and mangoes. Now pour the mango into 1/3 of the mold. We are keeping it first because it is the thickest puree. And clean the rest with kitchen towel. Try to keep it as clean as possible. Then pour kiwi puree. And lastly, the watermelon. And tan! These colorful popsicles are ready to go into the freezer. After 3 hours. I am super excited to take out them out of mold and ready with my watermelon t-shirt. For unmolding, you will need a tub of water and tissue papers because it can get messy. Dip for 2 minutes. And carefully pull out. I am so happy as it turned out so beautiful and tasty. Let me know in the comment box if you like this video and if you want to see more such recipes. Hit like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.